Welcome back to my channel. Each question and answer will be read slowly and then at normal speed. Listen carefully and do it again. You can turn on subtitles if you wish. Let's start.
How often do you get into trouble?
I rarely get into trouble at school because I always do my best and behave well.
How often do you travel to other cities?
I hardly ever travel to other cities unless it is for a family event.
How many times do you shower every day?
I take a shower once a day, usually in the morning before school.
How often do you post on Facebook or Instagram?
I only post on social media when something interesting or noteworthy happens.
How often do you shop for new clothes?
I only go to buy new clothes when there is something I need.
How often do you eat dessert?
I enjoy dessert frequently, especially after dinner.
How often do you study English?
I study English every day.
How often do you say I love you to your parents?
I only say I love you to my parents when they give me a present.
How often do you go to the dentist?
I visit the dentist once or twice a year.
How often do you visit your grandparents?
My grandparents live near me, so I see them a few times every week.
How often do you go grocery shopping?
My mom and I go grocery shopping at least once a week.
How often will you exercise in the future?
I want to exercise and be more active in the future.
Have you ever lost your wallet?
Yes, I've lost my wallet in a taxi before. It slipped out of my pocket.
Have you ever broken a bone?
No, I've never broken a bone.
Have you ever gotten into a fight?
Yes, unfortunately, I got into a fight at school.
Have you ever lied to your parents?
Yes, I told them that I was going to the library, but instead I went to the arcade.
Have you ever met a celebrity?
No, I've never met a celebrity. But I have seen a famous actor from far away.
Have you ever made food for more than 10 people?
No, I haven't made food for 10 people.
Have you ever been to the emergency room at a hospital? What happened?
Yes, I accidentally cut my hand while slicing tomatoes and went to the emergency room to get stitches.
Have you ever been to a wedding?
Yes, I went to my cousin's wedding last spring.
Have you ever cried during a movie?
Yes, I've cried while watching a very sad movie.
Have you ever done volunteering for a nonprofit organization?
Yes, I have volunteered at a nursing home. I had good conversations with old people.
Have you ever been on TV? Would you like to be on TV?
Yes, once I was interviewed by the local news channel while I was at school.
Have you ever missed your stop to get off the bus or subway?
Yes, I was on the subway and fell asleep. I woke up late and missed my stop.
Have you ever slept in a tent?
Yes, when I was young, I went camping with my cousins and we slept in a tent.
Have you ever slept in a tent?
Yes, when I was young, I went camping with my cousins and we slept in a tent.
Have you ever fired a gun?
No, I've never shot a gun.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. Have you ever been to a funeral?
Yes, last year my grandmother passed away. We went to her funeral to say goodbye.
Have you ever ridden a horse?
Yes, I've ridden a horse. Even though it was really big and a little scary, it was a fun experience.
Have you ever run a race?
Yes, I've run a race and got second place.
Have you ever gotten a bad haircut?
Yes, last year I got a bad haircut. I was so upset with the hairdresser.
Do you ever go to bed late?
Yes, I do. Sometimes I go to bed late because I've watched a movie.
Do you ever feel jealous of your friends?
Yes, I do. When my friend receives something that I want, I feel jealous.
Do you ever lie to your parents?
Yes, I lie to my parents when I don't want to get into trouble.
Do you ever get angry?
Yes, sometimes I get angry when I have an argument with my brother.
Do you ever wish you were someone else?
Yes, I do. I wish I was a famous celebrity or someone rich.
Do you ever donate blood?
Yes, I often donate blood. My blood type is A+.
Do you ever consider getting plastic surgery?
Yes, I do. I would like to change some parts of my face.
Do you ever tease your brother or sister?
Yes, I do. That is why we have siblings. In order to tease them.
Do you ever go on trips alone?
Yes, I go on trips alone. A few weeks ago, I went to another city on my own.
Do you ever share secrets with friends?
Yes, I do. Sometimes my friends and I tell each other our secrets.
Do you ever buy things and regret it later?
No, I don't. I always research a product before buying it.
Do you ever give money to charity or church?
No, I keep all my money for myself and spend it on my family.
Do you ever forget the name of someone you've just met?
No, I don't. I have a photographic memory and remember everyone's names.
Do you ever worry about the future of the planet?
No, I believe that the world will improve and become a better place.
Do you ever snore while sleeping?
No, I sleep deeply without snoring. Yes, when I snore my parents wake me up to stop.
Do you ever forget something, then go back to get it?
No, I always remember to take everything I need when leaving home.
Do you ever stalk someone online?
No, I never stalk people online. I only follow my friends on social media.
Do you ever copy homework from a friend?
No, I do my own, original work.
Do you ever sing in the shower?
No, I have a terrible singing voice, so I don't sing anywhere, not even in the shower.
Do you ever swear in public?
No, I never swear in public.
Do you like holidays?
Yes, I like holidays because I get to spend time with my family.
Name 2 religious holidays that you celebrate.
In my country, we celebrate Easter and Christmas. These are Christian holidays.